Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Device OS is supported, and you've enabled camera, notifications, and overlay permissions for the Ziploc app. Once done, open the app and grant the initial prompts so features run in the background. You should then select your primary lock method, PIN, pattern, or biometric, because that choice determines fallback and timeout behavior. Make sure to set a recovery email or PIN now so you don't lock yourself out later. Next, configure the lock behavior to match how you use your device. You'll set screen-on timeout and auto-lock delay so the lock triggers at the right moment. If you work with sensitive apps, enable blackout or full-screen concealment. Once you've done that, whitelist trusted apps and enable background protection to prevent tampering. You can also customize appearance, wallpaper blur, lock message, and subtle animations, because a clear visual cue helps you recognize finish by running a full test. Lock the screen, unlock with your chosen method, and try biometric fallback and recovery PIN so you know they work. Once satisfied, backup settings to cloud or export a configuration file to restore quickly. If something goes wrong, force stop the app, clear the app cache, and reboot. If you still can't access the app, use your recovery code to regain control. Keep recovery info secure but accessible in a separate place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.